Today's topic, lockdown. Do you want to talk about it or something else?
Yeah, we can go with the topic. Lockdown.
Okay, good. So, lockdown. When first lockdown started, how was your feeling? What did you feel?
Because it was first time we have seen that moment that what is lockdown because we didn't had idea that what is lockdown.
Mm-hmm.
Only we have this name. Okay, so I was thinking, okay, let's see how will be the thing in the
Mm.
lockdown, what the thing happening and what's not happening. So then I saw many things that I came to know that yes, this is the actual lockdown. We faced. Even
Mm-hmm.
I think my parents they were also asking. I didn't face this kind of lockdown. So this is the lockdown where no one had to go anywhere, just sit and study. So yeah, I feel bit excited at the time because I don't have idea, no, right? I didn't have idea. This is a pandemic period, but only we just thought, yeah, now we don't have to go anywhere, just sit at home and relax. But
Yes.
after some time, we realized it is better to go somewhere to sit here idle. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, initially we were excited, okay, for the.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So you stopped going to like teaching to school. So after the lockdown, after it was like online mode, it was happening, I think, the classes.
Yeah, because then uh, it happened like yeah, the lockdown will be for more time.
Mm-hmm.
So online classes had started and we had to
Mm-hmm.
take online.
So how did you feel? Like which one is better, offline and online? And when online started, did you face any kind of problem, nervousness and all weird thing?
Always, even in online, like our conversation is if I'm facing problems. So online classes, I also have faced issues. But if I said for primary level for students, kids level, so offline classes are more better than online because they are not much better to handle technical issues and technical things, and it is also a bit harmful for the eyes
Mm-hmm.
to continue using and operating mobile phone. So for them, I must say that offline is better.
Yes, yes, absolutely. They are not familiar with the things, but nowadays kids are very much advanced, they're advanced than us. They know many things than us. They can teach us even. So, but still the concentration is not there. So offline class, if they make any mistake, if they don't do the homework, so you can scold them. So that why are you not doing? But online they can just turn off their camera, the thing can happen.
Yes, yes. It means it's not 100% sure. Yeah, they are giving attention to the study and
Mhm.
online. So that's why I think offline is more better for him. And it
Mhm.
also depends on environment. In offline classes, they have different environment and they
Mhm.
have friends, circle, and stay with them.
Yes, yes.
That is a different environment. Even in online classes, just you have to take your class from your home. So this
Mm-hmm.
is a different thing. But yeah,
Yes.
we had no any other option. So
Mm-hmm. At least in something is better than nothing. If they were like not studying, so online is at least better.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, just this
Hmm.
situation is.
For high school people, for 9, 10, 11, 12, people are okay with that and online. But kids are like class 4, like class 3, they are too much younger. They can't, though they know all the things about laptop and all, but still their mental development is not there. So it's very
Yeah.
much difficult to handle. So have you faced any of the thing that, do you have any mischievous student like who was doing like not unmuting themselves? So have you faced like that?
Yeah, they directly, disconnected from our. They didn't do anything else. Directly disconnected and just said and text from my, I think from their home and so their parents one SMS. Yeah, there is network issue and it is okay. And what
Mm-hmm.
we had, we didn't do anything. Okay, and that we just texted them the syllabus and notes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so they didn't do intentionally. It was really a network issue.
Sometimes it was really Sometime. Sometimes it was okay. They were not, I think, interesting the topic, and they were not giving attention, and just try to disconnect. And parents they realize okay, maybe really there is network issue, because students they make them they I think made them clear that yeah, mama, there is no network. I'm always voice is not clear and something.
Yes,
So parents
yes.
thinking okay, don't bother my kid and just ask to
Mm.
do this.
Yes, absolutely. So online you just handle it like that. You just give the notes, and but if it happens offline, like they are doing any kind of things, not listening to you, so how do you handle? Do you scold them, or you like be calm and like make them understand?
Yeah. So if student he and she is not giving attention, so first of all, because we are giving attention that which student is giving us and which is not giving attention to us. So just give them some instruction. Stand up and okay, what I am teaching here and what I said, you
Hmm.
narrate you.
Repeat.
If they are able to just repeat the thing and able to narrate the thing, so it means yeah, if they are not giving attention but they are understanding what I am delivering here. But if they are not able to do this, it means intentionally they are not giving attention. So
Yes.
just I think always I just separate them from this row and stand up the other row. And
Mm-hmm.
now you can, I think it is the way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now you should listen me properly, otherwise I will throw you out of the class, like this thing. Nah, this is the most common dialogue in school. I also heard a lot. So
Yeah,
you
I
are a
don't
strict teacher or
say,
like friendly type?
yeah, I bit friendly. I'm not much strict. So that
Okay.
is why I don't say that I will throw you from my class. You are always in my class, but
Mm-hmm.
only you have to give me attention. Otherwise, come here and narrate some poem and tell me what you have learned and tell me that. So in this way, and if I'm thinking and if I'm seeing that all students they are not giving attention, they are not feeling interest in my subject and topic what I'm delivering right now, then I just stop that and stand up all the students and make a small activity so that they can be indoors, and after
Mm-hmm.
that able to read. I think they are ready to learn.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good technique. So which subjects do you teach them?
Yeah, most of the time math and
Mm-hmm.
from primary level, and also English as well, and Hindi. I also had to teach
Mm-hmm.
Hindi. So mostly we have to focus on math and Hindi
Mm-hmm.
because this is our Hindi is our native language, and we have to focus on that. And then math, and the third is English. So
Mm-hmm.
these are the
Three
things.
subjects you teach. Hmm.
Otherwise, all subject is here, but we have to focus on this because this is the I think most valuable subject. When they understand this subject, then they will be understand the next subject like EVS, and if they understand Hindi, then they can understand a bit Sanskrit as well in my side. So if they can understand Hindi, they also can understand EVS a bit. So
Mm-hmm.
in this way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good. Your way of teaching is very good. I can hear, and it's not like unlike other teachers. I faced like in school they were like very much arrogant type. They used to tell that you go and I will beat you, and they literally used to beat and they used to give slap. So it's not good actually.
Now, well, I think criteria has changed.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone is not this, but some people always be here. But
Mm-hmm.
it is a good way to teach, I think, because if you are teaching in this way, so a student after some time they are not interested in your class, and they always try to
Exactly.
class. So if you
Yes.
want to be attentive
Mm-hmm.
all this in your class, then you have to also give the attention every student in your class.
Exactly. You have to do some kind of activity so that only you can draw the attention of the students. And
Yes,
many
yes.
people, many teachers are like that. I forgot to say, I forgot the thing. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. They say that I can explain you this 2 or 3 times, 100 times also. But when it comes, when any student asks, "Ma'am, can you explain me once more? Why you are not understanding? Why you are not paying attention?" Like this thing happened with me also.
Yeah, but we are teacher and we have to explain again and again. Even they
Yes.
are, otherwise they will have fear to ask you
Mm-hmm.
any question,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to open them up to us.
Yes, exactly. And they will only keep them with themselves. And when the teacher will ask, "Do you understand?" Yes. They will just say
Yeah,
yes, but really they didn't understand.
they didn't understand. So if you don't wanna yes in your class, then you will have to focus their question. What's the question there? And
Yes.
then them reply.
Mm-hmm. Yes, absolutely. So yeah, when once one more thing in lockdown, people started making dalgona coffee. Did you also do that?
Oh, somewhere, sometime.
You did it dalgona coffee.
Sorry, sorry.
Dalgona coffee.
No, no, I didn't.
You don't know, you haven't heard about it?
No, no.
Okay, it was a trend on social media. It came, people started doing like dalgona coffee. Even I did. It is like the thing. If you search on Google, then you can understand that people started doing it in lockdown and people started posting. It was back then when it started. Corona started, and also people started playing Ludo online.
Ludo that I know. Ludo I also played sometime
Mm-hmm.
because even when all families get together that time, so let's play Ludo. So initially we did in lockdown, in first lockdown, but in second, no, second lockdown we just thought,
People
okay,
became poor. Yes.
both we thought okay, we should just use this time because we already have wasted that first lockdown. So if it
Yes.
will be a continue long time, then we are continuing wasting our time. So use it.
Exactly. Yes, and people started playing like Ludo online, and they had that board, but still they're playing online with their friends and all. And at the initial period, people started doing a lot of things. Some people cooking, dalgona coffee. Some people still watching TV, binge watching Netflix. But now people are understanding. People are doing work from home. People are thinking, no, no, no time waste. I need to focus.
Yes, yes. I think first lockdown everyone enjoyed and did what they had to do. Their
Yeah.
wish in the second lockdown they came to know. Now we have to utilize this time.
Yes, and also it benefited a lot, I think, because it is, I should not say that it benefited. Actually, there are disadvantages, a lot of disadvantages, but also if you see the advantages, there are advantages also. Like the way we can study, like online, like spoken English classes we can take, and also we can utilize work from home. And I think work from home is better because if you go somewhere and if you go to work, then you need to pay the money for that, like
Yeah.
public vehicle. So what do you think, what are the advantages of this lockdown period and this online, that work from home?
Okay. So work from home, who's doing job, office job and bank job, some other. So there
Mm-hmm.
they have many advantages.
Mm-hmm.
Not for much advantage for teaching line that I must say for us, uh, because the outcome is not much good in teaching if you are
Mm-hmm.
delivering that. Otherwise, the work from home is very better for other. They have to be ready and go office. They have to some hectic process go and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes traffic issue and many issues. And now they
Yes.
relax at home and just start and
Yes.
open on a laptop and start to do work. So maybe a bit relaxing work than that.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yes, and also it saves a lot of time and energy as well.
definitely, time and energy also see that.
Yeah. So are you outside? I think so.
Yes, yes.
So where are you right now?
Yeah, I am just outside the home.
Okay. People who like where exactly where?
So this is a few km away from my home. There is also one home of my second home.
Okay. 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 All right. So yeah, one thing you said poem. Okay, poem is not correct. It's poem.
Okay.
The pronunciation will be, let me write, poem.
Okay, poem.
Hmm.
It's not poem.
Hmm.